Imagine walking deep into the Amazon, where ancient giants stretch toward the sky. A new study suggests that these giants are getting even bigger. Today, we trace the story of how rising carbon dioxide is fueling forest growth and the paradox it creates for our climate future. What the new study found, in research published in Nature Plants, scientists monitored 188 permanent plots across the Amazon over several decades. They discovered that the average basal area, the cross-sectional area of tree trunks, has increased by about 3.3% per decade. That's not just for small trees. Even the largest, most venerable trees, which many believed would buckle under stress from heat, drought, or lightning, are growing thicker, stronger, and more numerous. In short, the whole forest is bulking up, not just the smaller plants. Why is this happening? The CO2 fertilizer effect. Carbon dioxide is, in effect, the raw material plants use to produce sugars through photosynthesis. If there's more CO2 available under the right conditions, plants can photosynthesize more efficiently. Think of it as giving trees a richer diet. But the benefit only holds if other resources like water, nutrients, and space are also sufficient. Yet scientists warn that advantage might not last forever. Heat stress, extreme droughts, fires, and habitat fragmentation could one day overwhelm growth. For now, the Amazon seems to be responding, but it is walking a tightrope. So here's the paradox. The very CO2 emissions driving climate change are also boosting tree growth, at least temporarily. But we cannot rely on forests alone to solve our carbon problems. Deforestation, logging, and land use change still threaten the forest's ability to sequester carbon. Plus, when trees die, burn, or decompose, much of that stored carbon returns to the atmosphere. Climate models warn of dieback events, abrupt loss of vegetation. If warming and drying continue, growth today doesn't guarantee survival tomorrow. We find ourselves in a strange moment. Amazon's giants are thriving, drinking in our excess CO2, even as that same excess destabilizes the climate they depend on. This is not a victory, it's a warning, one with hope, but also urgency. We must protect intact forests, curb emissions, and prevent the tipping points that could undo the gains we see now. If these ancient giants are nature's allies, we must stand beside them, not chip away their foundations. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us on the journey through science and our planet's mysteries.